guys, Mike Minor here. Another cool stuff and quick update today regarding Binance. Today I will be sharing about how you can be able to trade in Binance in Singapore during this time. Are we still able to use VPN in trying to trade? Today I will be sharing with you how my tool works in trading. I've created a tool in order for you to trade in Binance. So this one is just a very simple tool to which I don't know later on in the future or are we allowed to still trade using this tool. At the moment, I'm using it for my own personal use if I need to transfer something from my Axie going back and forth. So in terms of conversion of USDT, it really helps because when you convert to USDT, there's as you call stability in the coin. So it's stable, so I can just store it in USDT until such time if I'm ready to pay out. It's just a one-time transfer only. Our first try that I'm going to test right now is I'm going to run my VPN to try to connect to one server here which is in UK, and then I'm running here the browser Google Chrome runs in incognito, and then we'll try to log in using the QR code we scan through the app to try to log in into it. And after that we'll try to go to trades and then classic. So we are now in the trades classic. So currently I have 160 USDT. We'll try to buy. My VPN is on now. You get an error. Service notice, same thing. Dear user, as per our terms of use and compliance with local regulation. This is the same error that we are having since last time. They really block even though we are using a VPN and then even though we are running in incognito mode. But the other day I was testing, we are still able to go through using my VPN right now, then using the incognito. But that day I was not able to record it. After some time, suddenly I could not be able to connect anymore. So maybe they are trying to check by user and then by location. So we must try to be very careful in terms of trading or connecting because they might try to block our user. We will not be able to access anymore our Binance account. Just a word of advice, we must be very careful. But since it's it's a loophole in the system, so you can still trade, it's still legit, and then it's still legal. So the next thing that I'm going to share with you is the tool that I've created that you can still be able to trade using my tool in Binance. So this tool is created using Python, and it's calling the API of the Binance, which currently they still allow trading. As you can see now, I have a spot value on my app and my app is running. I still have USDT here. And then what we need to do is to run my Binance. So once we run our Python code, we will try to run, or we try to check first the price of the Bitcoin, how much we can buy by our $160. So we try to check the price. The price right now is 59,000. My budget is 160. So I key in 59,300. And how much are we able to buy by the Bitcoin? So the trade pair is BTCUSDT. And then we key in buy 1. Quantity is 0.00269,814. And we key, and then when we try to check the Binance now, we got a Bitcoin, so it's a successful trade. Now what we need to do is we try to sell this Bitcoin. So we run again the program, key in a trading pair BTC USDT, sell, and we key in our Bitcoin balance 0.00269,853, and then it's a success. As you can see here on my app, it suddenly changed to my USDT. So it's a success, guys, using the API of the Binance. So if you're a technical person, then yes, you can still do it. This one, you can still do trade using Binance. Let's say if you're not too technical, the only thing that you can do is you can be able to run through a VPN. Some other users of Binance, they're able to run using a VPN, but I'm not sure if really how stable it is to use the VPN, because I tried also using the phone with a VPN still being blocked by Binance. But my one right now, it's purely internet connection without VPN and using API. I'm using this one for my own personal use, so it's been a while that I'm using this. When I try to trade, transfer, and buy or sell, it enables me to use this tool easily. It works for my own purpose. So, but then if you guys wanted to have this kind of tool, just send me a message and then we'll try to link over and then how we can proceed with the tool. I might as well maybe create a website on this, and then you can be able to key in your API keys in there and then in order for you to trade your own trading pairs. So that's it, guys. That's a quick update regarding the Binance. Until now, November 18, you can still be able to trade in Binance using the API. I hope that they are not able to block this kind of API in order for me to continue using my tool for my own purpose. Thanks for watching, guys. Salum and peace out.